What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we have My Fusion, a new song by Billie Eilish. I'm very much excited to share this one. So we got the capo on the third fret. This was just a full play along. So if you have mastered playing the song, so you can just play along with me and have fun. So let's get started. As always, make sure to put the capo on the third fret. The chords will be very easy. Though we have I think nearly 9 chord shapes and all. So let's have a look at the chord shapes firstly. The first chord will be a E minor, which is 0 2 2 0 0 0. Then the next chord which we have is a C major 7, which is mute 3 2 open open open. Then the next chord is a variation of a C major chord, which is a C dominant 7. This chord is my favorite because you can just change it any way you want. So we got mute, then 3, then 2, then with the pinky 3 on the D string, on the G string, and first fret on the B string, and high E string open. I know I'm going a bit fast, but I have to cover a lot of songs today, so therefore I have to go a bit fast. And then the next chord which we have will be a F major, which is 1 3 3 2 1 1. You can play it like this. Another variation of the chords which we are using is a F major 7, which is 1, then a mute, then a 3 2 1 open. And then we have is a variation of the D minor 7 chord. This is a D minor 7 with a flat 5, which is mute mute open, first fret on the G string, which is the flat 5, then the B string first fret, then the high E string first fret. Nice chord. Then we have a E7, which is 0 2 0 1 0 0. Again a dominant chord, E7 dominant. A minor, mute open second first open. Then what you're gonna do is when I tell you A minor with the G on the bass, you're just gonna add your pinky on the top E string. Now you can play the full chord. So it will be 3 open second first open. It's an A minor with the G in the bass. You can even just omit the A string or let that be muted with your pinky if you find that a bit hard. And what else? We have a D major chord, which is mute open second third second. And then we have a F minor chord, which is 1 3 3 1 1 1. So that's it. We just have a look at the structure. It starts off with verse, then we have the pre-chorus, then the chorus, then again the next verse, the next pre-chorus, and the next chorus. So we have 4 parts to learn. Why? The verse 1 and the verse 2 is a bit different, and the pre-chorus and the chorus are actually same. So let's get started. So verse 1. Have a look at the chord progression. The first chord will be a E minor, then a C major 7, then an F major 7, then a D minor 7 flat 5, then back to a E minor. Repeat the same thing, C dominant 7, again F major 7. But this time, instead of playing the D minor 7 flat 5 and going to the pre-chorus, you're just gonna play the F minor. And now the song of the tempo is very soft, very low. So just gonna play it very slowly and rest on each chord I've showed you right now for 1 bar, which means so very slowly, just gonna move on. Repeat the exact same thing. So it's, the first line is very easy, just 2 lines of chord progression. F major 7. And now this part you just have to play the F major 7. Don't play the F major over here, because that will sound more raw over here. So F major 7 sounds fresh. Now we're just gonna move on to the pre-chorus. On the pre-chorus, the chord progression will be a E7 dominant. Then we have this line which is like a bass, like a walking bass, which is A minor G D. So you play the A minor chord, and as soon as you play that, you're just gonna move on to the A minor / G. You're just gonna play that. Then suddenly you're just gonna move on to the D major chord. Just gonna break down, and the next line which we have will be a F, and then on the next line we have a F minor. So this goes for the pre-chorus. Now the pre-chorus 1 and 2 is exactly same. So let's see how it goes. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2, 3, 4, 1. Now in the pre-chorus 2, you can just go with the strumming pattern, it gets a bit like the beats coming, the drums kicking. So over here we have a different strumming pattern, which I'm just going to show you in a minute. But before that, let's play the pre-chorus another time. So we got E7, 2, 3, 4, A minor G, D, 3, 4, F major, 2, 3, 4, go to the F minor, 2, 3, 4. Now we have the chorus, and for the chorus I got a nice strumming pattern. Before that, just have a look at the chord progression. It goes a C major 7, then a C dominant 7, then an F major 7, then a D minor flat 7 flat 5. I'll repeat the lines. So C major 7, again a C7 dominant, then a F major 7. Now instead of going to the D minor like the previous did for the verse, we're just gonna go to the F minor over here and let the pre-chorus end over here. And when you move on to the verse, you're just gonna do the C major 7 before that and enter the verse. Like there's a small gap, you're just gonna fill that with the C major 7 chord. So the strumming pattern which I like to do is now I don't have a pick right now, but you can obviously use your fingers because it will sound more soft, and for this sound that will be okay. So what basically I'm doing is, like, the bass notes are the root note of a chord and from where the names come. So for the C major 7 chord, or C7 chord, for the what all, A minor chord and all, the bass note is on the A string. Then for the D chord and all, we have on the D string. And for the F chord, for the G chord, for the E chord and all, it's on the top E string, like that. So you're just gonna pick the bass note of that chord in the chord progression 3 times, and then you're just gonna do a soft down, and you proceed and do it another 3 times. So in total 4 times we have down, down, down. So we pick it like 1, 2, 3. Wait, I was a bit wrong, sorry. We are picking the bass note twice. I'm very sorry, guys. We are picking the bass note twice, and then we are doing it down. So, dun, dun. So the pattern will be pick the bass note twice, and then you're just gonna do a small down and repeat it 4 times for each chord, and you are done for the verse. So let's do it for the I told for the chorus. Let's do it for the chorus. Let's play 1, 2, 3, 4. C major 7. Move on to C7 dominant. Exact same bass note. F major 7. D. F minor on the E string, the bass note is. Sorry about that. Then when you move on to the next chord, next verse, you're just gonna play the C major 7 to fill that gap, and you move on to the verse. Now this verse, the chord progression will be E minor. It will be starting off with the C major 7, then a C7 dominant. But now we're just gonna play the F major chord. So we're just gonna play the F major chord, and then we will play the D minor 7 flat 5, and we'll just repeat that, I think, for one more time. So C major 7, C7 dominant, F major, and D minor 7 flat 5. The strumming pattern I like to do is, it's a lot easy. It's basically down, up, mute. I'm doing with my fingers. Obviously you can use a pick. Down, up, then I'm just keeping my hand to get the sound of the chord muted. So basic thing, down, up, down. So take that as down, up, down. Like on the down, we are just muting the chord. And you just again do this 4 times for each chord, no matter what the chord is. For the verse, it will sound something like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go. Dominant. Full F major chord. D minor 7, flat 5. Pre-chorus, you move on. After doing this, you're just gonna move on to the pre-chorus, go with the exact same strumming pattern. So the chords will be same. So you got. So over here, what you can do is on the working bass line, we will do down, 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 down. So just for the A minor, G, and D, just gonna do down, 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 and you just gonna F major. And then you have the chorus. You can just go with the same string pattern, or you can just change it. This one, like I showed you one, but you can even do down, up, up, mute. So see how it goes. I think that's likely done for this song. There's no more part 2 left. So guitar tutorial obviously done. Make sure to drop me comment down below how was the lesson. Just any song that you want to learn on guitar Friday. So a lot of music to cover today. Make sure to subscribe because I just want to reach 2,000 subscribers as fast as possible. Now you can just play as much as you want. Practice a lot. The chord shapes are actually easy with the keyboard on third fret. Maybe they're a lot, but it's actually a lot easy. Just 4 parts to learn: verse 1, pre-chorus, chorus, and verse 2. And the pre-chorus and the chorus that are actually same. So that's nice. And the song is obviously a bop. So I obviously like Billie Eilish songs a lot. And I'll see you guys back in the next video. And make sure to play along with me in the song playthrough.